All right, here's the quick one here. Equal sets are sets which contain exactly the same elements. Equal sets are sets which contain exactly the same elements. All right. So for instance, if set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and the elements in set B is equal to 3, 2, 1, we can say that set A is equal towards set B. Why are they equal? Because they contain exactly what the same elements. All right. So this is set A, and this is set B. So if you got set A, there is 1 here. There is 1 here in B. There is 2 here. There is 2 here. There is 3 here. There is 3 here. So these two sets contain exactly the same element. And that is why they are called word equal sets. All right. Then let's look at equivalent sets. Equivalent sets are sets that contain the same number of elements, even if their elements are different. For instance, we have set A equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B equal to 8, B, C, D. So these two sets are what are equivalent. Why are they equivalent? Because they contain the same number of elements. So the number of elements in set A is equal to what? 4. We have 4 elements here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of elements in set B is equal to what? 4 as well. We have 4 elements here. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So because on the fact that set A and set B have the same number of elements, we refer to set A and B as what? Equivalent sets. All right. So in this video, we'll focus on subset and what universal set. So what is a subset? A subset is a set whose elements are in a larger set. A subset is a set whose elements are in a larger set. For instance, a set A is equal to 1, 2, and set D is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can therefore say that set A is a subset of what? Of B. What that means is that the elements in A are also in B. Or the elements that are in A are also found where? In B. So again, the subset is a set whose elements are in a larger set. So set A is in a larger set. The elements in A are in what? In this set B. All right. So it's very important that you should know that the symbol for subset is written like this. All right. This is the symbol for a subset. Then let's look at the last set that we'll be looking at here, which is what? The universal set. So universal set is a set that contains all the elements under consideration in a particular case. A universal set is a set that contains all the possible elements under consideration in a particular case. All right. So it's very important that you should know that a universal set is represented by this symbol. All right. This U is represented by U. So this U stands for what? Universal set. So again, a universal set is a set that contains all possible elements under consideration in a particular case. So if, for instance, we are talking about a set that has to do with number 1 to 10, the universal set would be equal to all the elements from 1 to 10. So it will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and what? And 10. So this will be what? Your universal set. All right. So it's very important that you should know that universal set is a set that contains all the possible elements from their consideration in a particular case. All right. Okay.